Hello and welcome. We are Arne,
I'm Alan.
And I'm Kazuma.
and here at Venergy, we strive to rid the Earth of polluting fossil fuels by turning previously unharnessed wind energy into electricity.
The current world is heavily reliant on non renewable sources of energy. According to worldometer.info, in 2021, only 10.4% of energy consumption came from renewable energy sources.
Here, we can see the distribution of the energy we consume around the world. We can see that the three most used energy sources emit harmful greenhouse gases which damage the planet. And this is exactly what we at Venergy want to tackle.
These greenhouse gases causes a host of different problems, such as sea level rise, extreme weather conditions such as droughts to increase in severity and duration, and increased overall global temperature.
In addition, countries like Japan are over-dependent on energy imports. According to FEPC.org, Japan produces only about 6% of their energy, and the rest is all imported. Therefore, Japan has high energy prices, and during May of 2022, Japan was using 96% of all available energy.
Just the other day, I was waiting for a train in the subway, and when the train passed me, I was met with a gust of wind so strong that all my hair flew back. Then I thought, why can't we harness all this wind? That's where our product comes in. At Venergy, we have developed a special wind turbine that can be placed inside of air vents to harness the wind produced by trains and cars inside of tunnels. Seen in this drawing, our turbines will be placed at the end of air vents and will be spun by the wind produced by the vehicles. The electricity then will be moved into batteries, which will power nearby electrical machines.
A train traveling about 125 miles per hour produces a wind of almost 50 feet per second, according to CNBC. This would be more than enough to capture energy. In Japan, a train passes around every 2 to 4 minutes. A competitor product, T-Box, captures the wind energy from trains and predicts that the product could capture around 3,500 watts from each passing of the train from each turbine. This means it could capture around 2.6 kilowatts of power each day. Because our product will be similar, we expect to have around the same energy yield without the downsides of T-Box.
The design that you see now is an innovation that won the Shell Innovation Prize and is very similar to ours. An advantage, though, that our product has is that we are implementing our turbines inside of tunnels, which produce more wind because of the enclosed space, making the wind more concentrated. Another major advantage we have over this design and the T-box design we mentioned earlier is that our windmills are less prone to breaking and won't be a problem during earthquakes and won't be causing any negative effects to the ecosystem, with things such as bird strikes, which kill almost 1.17 million birds every year in the US alone. Because our turbines are less frequently broken, and according to Common Energy, around 8,000 blades each year in the United States are buried into the ground, and that is something we can avoid with our product. But also, to avoid this sustainable practice, we're planning to get in contact with Global Fiberglass Solutions, who is perfect and have developed a process to break down these wind turbines into raw material.
You may be wondering, how do we get a revenue? Well, with each Venergy system sold, we will be taking a small percentage for profit and for further development of the product. Some of our potential buyers would be the government, in this case the Japanese government, or the Tokyo Metropolitan Government, rail companies, and tunnel manufacturers. Because we aren't experts yet, and so far this is just a concept, our first step is to partner with experts like physicists to fully design our product. Then we want to approach train companies such as JR, who we will work with to implement it into trains and train tunnels. Then we want to work with electrical companies such as Yamaha Electrical Company to put it onto the net. Then we want to manufacture the product, build the product into tunnels, and expand over the whole world. Thank you so much, and please remember that every small energy change will add up to a huge change and to a green future. Thank you.